If you are thinking about buying a home right now in today's market, especially in Texas, we have some great buyer tips for getting the best deal on a home. So recently we had our team meeting and I just asked the agents on the team, what advice would you give a buyer in this market today? And stay till the end because I give my 3 best tips for getting a great deal. What can you look for? How to get the best deal on a home? It could be new home, it could be resale home. What do y'all think? What do y'all tell your clients? What are you looking for?
I would say if you're looking for a new home right now in the North Texas area, let's look at the new build communities and see what they have to offer. There's lots of new home builders that have a lot of great incentives out there right now. And so that would be a suggestion if you're open to a new home build.
My advice to moving here in the DFW market is to not be afraid of the interest rates that are here today. The buyers today are in such a advantage in negotiating prices right now. It is by far the easiest time to negotiate the best price for the home. And then of course, we can always discuss any type of interest rates in the future at that certain time.
Okay, so something I do tell my buyers too when we're looking at pre-owned homes is let's look at the home. I mean, if it is very lived in, the closets are still full as can be, they may not be as willing to move, you know, so, but if you're looking at a home that's completely empty, then they're going to negotiate, you know, because somebody's making 2 payments. And so anyway, so it just kind of like, you know, I do get asked a lot, you know, what should we do on this home? And I'm actually working with one right now that it's filled to the hilt. They have not even tried to move yet, and they're not negotiating. So anyway, so we're just going to move on and find another home.
Some great ways to consider if the seller is going to be willing to negotiate with you or not is to have your agent look at days on market. Also contacting the listing agent directly to ask for things like what kind of time frame are the sellers looking for as far as moving goes. Are they in a hurry? Like Julia mentioned, seeing if the house is still completely full of things or are they already moved out and therefore probably paying 2 payments. All of those things can indicate if the seller is going to be willing to negotiate. And I think it's really important as well to work with a buyer's agent who knows the market and who understands how to negotiate, because it's one thing to say the market's slowing down and you can get a better deal on a home, and it's another thing to know how to go about doing that with your best interest in mind.
Okay, so we've been talking about buyers, but I just want to let y'all know that Dana and I listed a house last week and it sold within 3 days. So don't be afraid to list your house right now because the market is still very strong. I did the open house and there was over 30 people there and they got asking price for it. So keep listing, guys.
This is my secret sauce on getting the best deal on a home, especially in this market. Number 1, you're looking for the days on market. We're looking for 30 days or more on the market. Ask your real estate agent to pull the homes that have been on the market 30 days or more. Those sellers get a little bit antsy. Number 2, the house is vacant. Julia had mentioned that when the house is vacant, somebody is probably making 2 payments. And number 3, you're looking for ugly houses or poorly listed houses, meaning those pictures in the MLS, you can't tell what's going on with that house. Or the home has not been staged, and so there's junk everywhere. So you're trying to look past the junk, find the ugly houses that need paint, find the ugly houses that need carpet, that need a fence fixed up, and you can get a steal of a deal on those. So whether you're going to buy a home in Texas in this market, or maybe you're going to wait until the spring, by the way, many people are waiting until the spring, which kind of tells me, might get a little busy again. If the interest rates come down and many people are waiting until the spring may be a little more competitive than expected. It really depends on those interest rates. However, if you're thinking about buying a home, whether now or later, fill out the Dream Home questionnaire in the link below and schedule a one-on-one Zoom consultation. And if you're looking at selling a home, fill out the Sell My Home questionnaire. And you can ask anything you want, okay? There's no commitment at this point. Just ask anything you want. The purpose of the consultation is to give as much information as possible, both on the market as well as the best areas to live, if you're selling a home, how to get the best price, all those good real estate questions. So thanks so much for watching.